Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. On Windows 11, the scroll bars in certain apps and features like your Start menu and your Settings app automatically hide when they're not in use. So you can see when I move my mouse away to the right hand side, the scroll bar disappears, and then it reappears when I hover back to the right hand side, and there we go, there's my scroll bar. Now, this is the way it's supposed to be, and it's part of the fluent design system of Windows 11. But if this doesn't suit your preferences and you want to actually keep the scroll bars visible at all times in the Start menu and in the Settings app, and also for certain apps you download from the Microsoft Store, then just to show you how you can always show the scroll bar on Windows 11. Now, what we need to do to get this to work is we need to head to our Settings app, and if you don't know where that is, just do a search for Settings, and then in the Settings app we would navigate to Accessibility, head up to Visual Effects, and here you'll see Always Show Scroll Bars. Toggle that on, and now you'll see if I head into my Settings app, my scroll bars to the right hand side are always visible, as you can see. And if we head back to where we started, to the Start menu, you can see there's my scroll bars. Even if I move the mouse away, they are still visible. And if you at some stage want to put everything back to how it is by default, then you just reverse the steps, and that would be heading back to your Settings, Accessibility, Visual Effects, toggle that off, and yeah, you can see once again scroll bars are now hidden by default once again and will only appear when I hover over the scroll bar. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.